People who asked for a pencil every single day in school, what happened? I knew a guy in high school who would say, "Oh, there's my pencil," anytime he'd see a pencil that someone didn't actively have next to them. Then he'd put it in his pencil case and go on with his life. I'd ask to borrow a pencil almost any time I saw him do it, and he'd just as casually take one out, hand it to me and say, "Don't forget to give it back." I never did. One day in grade 12, we were walking from the school to his house, and in a park we saw a broken telescope. Naturally, I picked it up and brought it back to his house where I left it. A week later, it showed up on my doorstep with an envelope. He had written a note using really fancy, old-timey language that basically said, "Please accept this humble gift." So we started exchanging it back and forth every so often, always leaving a note. We even agreed in our letters never to talk about the telescope in front of each other. We also used pen names for the exchange. One time, he actually gave it to me all wrapped up during a celebration for me and said, "Please give this to..." Everyone else was thoroughly confused and kept asking what was inside, but neither of us cracked. It's been a while since we'd exchanged it. The problem is that because we leave it at the front door, it can be hours before it's discovered, so there's the worry that there might be thieves or something. Since there's no way to ask, I just have to assume that he's still got it and is biding his time. People who